Hi Year 2, hope you're all okay. Well done on your amazing work yesterday, counting in twos. Today we are moving on to counting in fives. I hope you've all given the flashback for a good go. Let's get started. As always, we will practice our new number, which is our threes. I've covered up a sixth number today. There are a lot of numbers missing, but I know you can do this. So let's get the pointer ready. Are you ready? Your turn and go. 9, 18, 21, 24. Well done. Do you think you've got the missing numbers? Let's do that again. Ready? Let's go. 9, 18, 21, 24. Excellent. Let's see what the missing numbers were. The first number shouted out at me was 3. The next number was 6. 3, 6, 9. What should have come next? 12, 15. Then we knew 18, 21, 24. The last two numbers were 27 and 30. Well done, everybody. You are getting so good at that. So today we will use our counting in fives to learn more about the 5 times table. You will need your home learning book, a pencil and some small objects to help with counting. My turn. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes in each group. That makes 4 equal groups of 5. I could write that as a number sentence because I could say 4 lots of 5, and I know that equals 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times 5 is 20. I also know that multiplication is commutative. That means that if I swap these two numbers round, I still have 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Your turn. I want you to pause here and write how many equal groups you have and the 2 number sentences that you could work out from it. Pause now. Okay, let's see what you got. I have 1, 2, 3 groups with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes in each group. That makes 3 equal groups of 5. I could write that as a number sentence, as I could say 3 lots of 5. And we know that that makes 5, 10, 15. 3 lots of 5 equals 15. 3 times 5 is 15. And we know multiplication is commutative. That means I can swap the 2 numbers round and the answer stays the same. 5 times 3 is also 15. Well done if you got that right. Here I have a number line from 0 all the way to 50, and I'm going to use it to practice my counting in fives. Here I have done a big jump on my number line. I've jumped up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. I have jumped up 1 lot of 5, and as a number sentence that would be 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 lot of 5 is 5. Okay, let's practice our counting in fives. Are you ready? 1 lot of 5, 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Something I like to do when I count in fives to help me is hold up my 5 on my hand each time, so I remember that each jump is worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully that's feeling familiar. I want to know what 3 times 5 is. 3 lots of 5, and I can use my number line to help me. Let's have a look. If I just jump up 1 5, I have worked out 1 times 5. If I add on another 5, I've worked out 2 times 5. If I go another 5, I've worked out 3 times 5. So I have worked out 1, 2, 3 lots of 5, and the number I landed on was 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Now I want to know 6 times 5. Do you think you know what I will have to do? Let's have a look. I'm going to jump up the number line 6 times in groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've jumped up 6 lots of 5, and that has given me 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The number I landed on was 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. Ooh, quick question. What would happen if I swap the numbers round and asked you to work out 5 times 6? Would my number stay the same? Yes, it would. My answer would still be 30. Now I want to know 5 times 7. Pause the screen here and see if you can use the number line to work out 5 times 7. Or maybe you think you don't need the number line and you can count in 5s using your skip counting on your fingers. Pause now. Okay, let's look at it on the number line. 5 times 7 is the same as 7 times 5. So I'm going to jump up my number line in 7 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that has got me 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. What would happen if I swap my numbers round and asked for 7 times 5? That's it, my answer would stay the same. It would still be 35. Okay, your turn again. I want to know 5 times 4. I want 5 lots of 4. Pause here and work out 5 lots of 4. Okay, if you've pressed play, let's see what 5 times 4 is. I'm going to use my number line to jump up 4 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've jumped up 4 times 5 and I got 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 times 4 is 20. And if I swap that round and ask for 4 times 5, my answer would still be 20. Well done. Okay, let's take away the number line now and have a go at these questions. On each question, I want you to pause and use your skip counting on your fingers or your groups of objects to try and work out the answer. My first question is 5 times 2. Now I know how to count in 5s and I know how to count in 2s. I'm going to count in 5s. I'm going to count 2 lots of 5. 5, 10. Can you see? I have used my fingers to count 2 lots of 5. 5, 10. My answer is 10. Your turn. 5 times 8. Pause now. 5 times 8. Hopefully you counted in 5s 8 times. Let's give that a go all together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 5 times 8 equals 40. Your turn. 12 times 5. Pause now. Okay, let's go. I'm going to count in 5s 12 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 12 times 5 is 60. Ooh, just like yesterday, now there's a missing number. 5 times is 20. How many times do I need to count in 5s to get to 20? I'm going to show you how I would do that. I'm going to use my fingers and do my skip counting until I get to 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. I've reached 20 and it took me 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. If I was on my number line, I would see 4 jumps. So 5 times 4 is 20. Your turn. How many jumps of 5 does it take you to get to 25? Use your skip counting to help you. Okay, press play if you're ready and let's have a look at that. Let's use our fingers and get to 25. 5, 10, 15, 20. 25. How many jumps did that take me? 5. Well done. 5 times 5 is 25. Wow, you are all amazing at your counting in fives. I have got 2 jobs for you to do today. Job number 1. There are some pictures on Google Classrooms, and you need to match the counting in fives number sentence to the picture. So you can count how many objects there are and use your skip counting. And then number 2, just like yesterday, is to complete the number sentences. I've put a picture of the number line on Google Classrooms to help you if you liked that way of counting, or use your objects or use your fingers. As always, there's a challenge on there. Yesterday, we had the most children we've ever had do the challenge, and I am so impressed. So let's see if we can beat that number today. Well done, everybody, and enjoy your counting in fives.